Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your computer hostname using the command prompt. So there are different methods in which you can actually change your device name. You can use PowerShell, you can use it from the control panel or your Windows settings, but one of the methods is also using your command prompt. So we're going to actually use our command prompt by entering the following command. I'm going to also leave this command in the description of this video in case you just want to copy and paste it. So we're going to enter the following. We're going to use the WMIC. Then we're going to enter computer system where then the name is equal to, we're going to enter the percentage and then computer name. Then we're going to enter the percentage again. And then we're going to call rename. Then the name is going to be the following. You're going to enter your own host name. I'm going to enter this device. I'm just going to give this device Windows 11, change this to 01. So for example, let me just try to open a different command. Let me try to open a different command prompt. And if I enter host name here, you can see the host name of this device is ELF02. So now I'm going to actually enter the following command, and then just make sure that the command is correct, because if you tap and if the command is not correct, you're going to receive the method execution is not successful. So now it says it's successful, but the other side of it is that you're not going to receive any message telling you to actually restart your device, because the effect of you changing your device name or your computer name will only take effect if you restart this device. So we're going to actually use the command prompt again to actually restart our device. So I'm going to enter the following: shutdown and /arrow, which means it's shut down. Restart T. The T means I'm going to time this device, so I'm going to enter 0 to actually restart this device immediately. So if I enter like 360, it will actually start maybe in 60 seconds, just 1 minute. But let me just enter 0 to actually restart my device immediately. And if I restart my device, we can now monitor and see if the host name of this device now changed to the WLF01 we just changed it to. So let me just hit enter here, and automatically my device will restart immediately, and then we can just wait and see if the host name changes or not. So after restarting your device, so let me just go to the command prompt, and then let's see if our device hostname really changed or not. So if I enter the hostname, you can see it right now that my device hostname just changed. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. Bye.